everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you my rocket launcher tube thing, or bazooka, and let's take a look. It's powered by two AA's, and the positive charge goes over to this trigger, as you can see, and then it runs all the way back with the negative from the batteries to the two clips that you put on the electronic fuse. Now for demonstration, I will use a electronic fuse, the exact same type that would go inside of a motor. One end here, one end there, and 3, 2, 1, and it worked. Now in order for this rocket launcher to work, you have to use a slightly modified rocket, and you'll notice these wires sticking out. These are not to make it deadly or anything. It is quite simply to allow the rocket to be able to sit in the tube and not move. And that'll allow it to slide out and fly straight, and you don't have to put fins on the front, which will jeopardize the stability. Back out at the same place, I launched my RC rocket boat. Same lake. Very pretty. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. The rocket flies out of the tube just fine. It starts turning, starts losing control, starts turning more aggressive, but still tracking straight in the relative wind. The back slips out and the rocket starts to lose all its energy and turn, and then the rocket is flying completely sideways, all energy is lost, and it falls into the water. Well, everybody, my homemade bazooka rocket launcher worked quite well for a first prototype. The problem that you could see with it is the fact that this tube is so small that the fins barely stick out, and there's not enough surface on the fins to make it fly straight. So the rocket ended up flipping all over the place. But the firing mechanism, the launching mechanism, the conular exhaust tube, that all worked wonderfully. So the rocket itself was the problem. So I need to build another one of these a little bit bigger and use a larger finned rocket. So yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. This has been the RPG 109, not a bazooka. So yeah, if you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. And this took a lot of time, effort, energy, and money, especially money. So yeah, show your support. Thanks, everybody.